Atira! Come here. Yeah, I want you to play this game. Yeah. You gotta press play. But she won it already. You gotta go up, go to here. It's 3 rounds. And then you could win some like tokens. To work. Play with the mouse, you know? You go right here. You go right there. You go right there. You go right there. And then go ahead and go to, you gotta reach the red. Don't, you can't touch the outside. Press play. You could see? Press play. You think you could do it, yeah? I don't think so.
No.
Me neither. You got one. See, you lost already. She can do it. You gotta take your time. See if she got hand control. Right, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you gotta go all the way to the bottom. You think she's gonna do it, yeah?
Yep.
I don't. She don't know how to play it. But it looks like she's going to do it. It looks like she might do it, yeah?
Okay.
Oh no. We're gonna see if she's gonna do it.
Look at that light on. Oh!
You lost again?
Yeah. Did you turn that light on? That's why.
Go ahead.
Oh.
Get on my back, yeah, so you can watch her again. Because I know you're the only one who could do it, right, yeah?
I'm watching.
Oh no, she's gonna do it. She might win the free ticket. She might win the free ticket, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, she's going too fast, yeah, she's gonna lose.
Silent.
She's going, yeah, she's almost there. She's almost there, yeah.
Yep.
She's almost there. She's almost there. There's another small one. And that's the last one. I said this is the last one.
Yep.
Think she gonna win, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There you go. That's the last one. You go, yeah.
I'm not gonna make that. Yes, you are.
No, she's not.
Yes, you will make it.
Okay, you're gonna see. You can't concentrate, yeah.
Did you keep talking? Stop talking.
Okay. Now that's when her eyes get small. Okay.
Wait.
Almost there, yeah.
Yep.
Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah. You gotta go real small, slow. She might do it. She might do it.
What?
Yeah, we got her. We got her, yeah.